Hi, I'm Sarah, web developer for Design Engineering World and MediaWorks. Today, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how you are able to use your profile. Once you log in to your profile, go ahead and scroll on down. And once you're here, you're going to see your menu bar. This is inside your profile. We've already talked about in your last tutorial, and this just shows the information about your company that you inserted. The next one is going to be comments. Comments are going to show up if you go to someone's post and place a comment. Next is activity. Activity just shows a basic wall, sort of like social media, in your profile. Now, these are all things that we have done as MediaWorks. And over here, this is the general wall, and you'll see that other people have done other things in this wall as well onto the side. You can post anything here and it will hit your wall. Other people can see it as well as in their feed. Messages. With messages, you have the ability to contact other people with private messaging. And this is where this will show up, photos. In the photo section, you can add albums or photos. Right here's an album that we've already created. Once we click on it, we've added photos. In order to do that, all you have to do is click on the little gear and edit the album or delete it. If you would like to add more photos, it's pretty quick. You can even do this with multiple photos at once. Just click Add Photos, click and hold the Shift button. Multiple photos will update and just add them right to your photos. Forums. The forum section is actually our design town, which is up here. In our forum, you can join, start forums, start topics, and so on, like your basic forum setting. Down here, it's going to show you everything that you've done within your forum with topics started, replies, favorites, and subscriptions. The last one is Write. This is where you can write articles, post articles, and see all of your articles together. Clicking here will show you all your posts that you've created. Right here is the ability to make your title, select your categories, and also post your description. You can insert photos right in here, as well as a featured image. And I really highly suggest doing this because if you don't add a photo, then it's not going to show up nice and pretty with all the others. Please add as many tags as you would like. Excerpt is optional, as well as your website URL. Then you would create your post. I'm going to show you what it looks like when someone does not add a photo into the articles. You will see the importance of it. Here's someone that added an article with a photo, and here's someone that didn't. So it won't be as enticing for someone to actually click on your article. So please put a featured image in those articles. And that is the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.